arithmetic progression, second exercise, 18th problem. The sum of the fourth term and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 24, and the sum of the sixth term and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the arithmetic progression. See here, fourth term, the sum of fourth term and eighth term is 24. That means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24, and the sum of sixth term and 10th term is 44. That means A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Now we should find out the first three terms of the arithmetic progression. Now first write down an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term formula. Now here they are saying fourth and eighth term. That means a4 is equal to, we can write a plus, here n is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 into d. That means a4 is equal to a plus 3d. Similarly, we can write a8, a6 and a10, because here fourth term, eighth term and sixth term, 10th term they are asking. No? That's why write down a8 also. a8 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 is 7 d. Same, a6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 is 5 d. Now a10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 is 9 d. a8 is equal to a plus 7 d. a6 is equal to a plus 5 d. a10 is equal to a plus 9 d. Okay. Now in the question what they said, fourth term, sum of fourth term and eighth term is 24. That means a4 plus a8 is equal to 24. Now a4 is a plus 3d plus a8 is a plus 7d is equal to 24. Here a plus a is 2a, 3d plus 7d is 10d. 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Here in all these terms a is 2 is common. Take the 2 outside. Here 2 into here a plus 2 5s are 10. We are taking 2 outside. Remaining is 5d is equal to 24. We can write 2 into 12. Here 2 to cancel. Now a plus 5d is equal to 12. Same in the question, sum of sixth term and 10th term is 44. That means a6 plus a10 is equal to 44. a6 is a plus 5d plus a10 is a plus 9d is equal to 24. Again here a plus a is 2a plus 5d plus 9d is 14d is equal to 44. In this also 2 is common. Take 2 outside. 2 into here a plus 2 sevens are 14. Here 2 we are taking outside. 7 is remain. 7d is equal to, here 44 we can write 2 into 22. 2 to cancel. A plus 7d is equal to 22. Now this is equation 2. And this one is equation 1. Now subtract 2 from 1. Now equation 2 is a plus 7d is equal to 22. Equation 1 is a plus 5d is equal to 12. Now change the signs here. Then plus a minus a cancel. 7d minus 5d is 2d is equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. Now d is equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. D is equal to 5. Now substitute this d value in equation 1. Now what is equation 1 here? A plus 5d is equal to 12. Now a plus 5 into d value is 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 12. A plus 5 5s are 25 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 plus 25 goes to right hand side. It becomes minus 25. Now a is equal to 12 minus 25 is minus 13. Now a2, see we know a value and D value. Now we should find out first three terms of AP. In the question, they are asking find the first three terms of the AP. Now A value is 13. First term is minus 13. Now find out second term. A2 is equal to A plus D. Here A value is minus 13 plus D value is 5. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Now A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A value is minus 13 plus 2 into D value is 5. Minus 13 plus 2 5s are 10. Minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. Now, hence the first three terms are A value is minus 13, A2, A1 is minus 13, A2 is minus 8, A3 is minus 3. That means minus 13 comma minus 8 comma minus 3. 19th problem. Subbaiah Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Okay, solution. Now, the annual salary received by Subbaiah Rao in the year 1995 onwards are 5,000. See, first year is 5,000. Afterwards, he received an increment of rupees 200. That means first year 5,000. Second year 5,000 plus 200 is 5,200. Now third year 5,200 plus 200 is 5,400. Like that, so on up to 7,000. Now, hence, these numbers forms an arithmetic progression because here 5,200 A2 minus A1 5,200 minus 5,000 is 200. Again 5,000 A3 minus A2 5,400 minus 5,200 is 200. Now here common difference is same. Therefore, these numbers forms an arithmetic progression. Now, A is equal to 5,000. Here, in this arithmetic progression, first term is 5,000. A is equal to 5,000. Here, D is equal to A2 minus A1. That means 5,200 minus 5,000. That is equal to 200. Now, AN is equal to 7,000. Now, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is equal to 7,000 is equal to A value 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D value 200. Now 7,000, here 5,000 comes to left hand side, it will be minus 5,000 plus 5,000 will be minus 5,000. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to here N minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 by 200. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 tens are. N minus 1 is equal to 10. N is equal to minus 10 goes to right hand side. It will be plus 1. Minus 1 will be plus 1. Now N is equal to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Thus the 11th year of his service, or in 2005, Subba Rao received an annual salary of rupees 7,000. Say 11th year, that means 2005, he received 7,000. Here 20th problem. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by 1.75. If the nth week her weekly savings becomes rupees 20.75, find n. See here, A is 5. Here Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. In the first week, that means A is equal to 5 of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. That means D is equal to 1.75. Now, if in the nth week her weekly savings becomes 20.75, that means nth week, that means AN is equal to 20.75. Now we should find out N value. Now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN value is 20.75 is equal to A value is 5 plus N minus 1 into D value is 1.75. Here 20.75 plus 5 comes to left hand side, it becomes minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. Here 20.75 minus 5 is 15.75, that is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. N minus 1 is equal to 15.75 by 1.75. Here N minus 1 is equal to, remove these points, that means in numerator into 100, and here also point is there. If we are removing this point, denominator we multiply with 100. Now this 100 cancel. Now 1575 by 175. Now here minus N is equal to 1575 by 175. This minus 1 goes to that side, it becomes plus 1. Here these two LCM is 175. Here 1575 plus here 175. Now adding these two, we will get 1750 by 1775. Now this 1075, here 1750, 1075 ones, 1075 tens. Now N is equal to, here N is equal to 10. Okay. Now 10th week her weekly savings becomes 20.75.